Hi everyone, Dandy here of Overseas Filipino Worker Work-Life Journey. We're talking in the past videos about how you're going to get your seamless communication, your SIM card. The second one is how to enable WeChat. And the third one is how you're going to register yourself to the local police. And it's about time to talk about how you obtain a bank inside China. So let's dive to that. You know, guys, you need a bank in China that you will going to receive your salary in this bank. That is obvious. I'm going to look at my Codigo right now. You can use this bank actually to pass it to your WeChat Pay on your WeChat wallet or probably later on your Alipay. This is basically connected later where it will be the main bank for your Internet of Things and the cashless payment. Very important. This is quite important, I should say. So what are the requirements? So the main requirements are you need to have your passport, a valid passport. And the second one is that you need to be physically go to the bank and then register yourself. And the craziest part is that please watch out how the bank register your name. Again, what I'm saying in here about in the very first time that you need to write your name consistently in the telecom companies, in your WeChat registration, in the police registration, and now the bank, it should be uniform. Again, the Chinese way with your family name first, your first name and your middle name, that's fine. That's fine as long as it is uniform. If they write it your name, like a first name, middle name, and then the last one is your family name, again, that's fine. The thing that I'm saying in here, it must be uniform. So all the documents, the way how they write your name must be uniform. And the bank is critical one, really. It's the most critical one because it's the most critical one because this is where your funds goes in and this is where the money goes out as well in your WeChat payment, in your Alipay, buying things. Maybe later on you'll have a credit card and this must be connected with your social security system or SSS. That is why it is very, very important. By the way, in the process of registration, the bank will going to send to you the OTP, the one-time password to enable the process of your PIN numbers, your registration in the bank. It will give you like maybe one, two, three OTPs, and then you have to watch out this one. That is why it's quite important that you need to have your China SIM card and your mobile phone ready when you register to the bank. That seems to be obvious. I'm going to take a look at my Kudigo. The initial opening amount is about 100 RMB. You can put maybe 500. That amount can leverage you later on when you wanted to pass it to your WeChat Pay. Hey guys, be careful of your password. It's actually a 6-digit numerical number. Sometimes we just key in a random number and later on we forget it. It happened to me actually. That is a bad experience. So sometimes I have to write it down. I have my small notes where I can write all the very important one, especially passwords. That seems to take about 15 to 20 minutes to have your ATM card if there is no problem. You're gonna expect it will be longer if there seems a problem that need to be solved. Probably, probably the question is that which bank it is. We have this ICBC, that's so-called the Industrial Commercial Bank of China, BOC, which is the Bank of China. There is also called the Ping An Bank, the Agricultural Bank of China, Bank of Commerce, and so on and so forth. But most foreigners choose the ICBC or the Bank of China, which is a quiet, strong. They have also employee who can speak English in their main branch, so you don't have to worry about the challenges in China about the language barrier. By the way, guys, for ICBC and BUC, they can allow you only to have one ATM card now, not like before 10 years ago. They can issue you a multiple banks, which is you can use it for your salary, for your savings, and another one that you can use and give it to your family in your own country, so they can actually withdraw that kind of remittance, but now it's no longer allowed. So be careful of that, guys, and take note of these new policies or what's called the new rules. Now, about other services, there may be other services that you need, like the phone banking, the internet banking, which is you can enable that in the time during the time that you're applying. I'm not gonna be discussing in here since they are not actually so much important right now personally, but if you need it, then you have to enable them during the time that you are applying for the bank card or the ATM card. Okay, so you get your bank card already, and you must be excited to patch that to your WeChat Pay on the WeChat wallet. That seems not so fast because you want to make sure that your bank account is working good. So the best way to test it is to go to an ATM machine and then try to do some inquiry. And if everything goes okay, then you can make use of that bank card already, or your ATM has been enabled. So it looks like that everything is okay, and congratulations for having a new ATM card. Before you go back home, make it sure that you get all the paperwork, your ATM card. If there is any other papers that they will provide, you have to take them all. And then it's better that you're going to collect all these important documents and put them in a plastic envelope. This is where your important documents. Take note of, guys, based on experience, you need this document later on. Never know when you need it, so make them available. Put them into safe place. Put them into a one pack, a plastic envelope, and that is the best course of action. And the next video is about enable your bank card or your bank into inside the WeChat Pay and WeChat wallet. So don't miss the next video, guys. And if you need to share this one to a friend or someone who would like to come here in China, please do so. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. And you probably like to subscribe right now. Just hit that subscribe button, like it, and there you go. It's free. It's free all the time, guys. Enjoy life. Live life to the fullest, and don't worry so much about life. Life is something that we need to take care, and we need not to control, but probably let the God of heavens help us and direct our own directions. That's the word from the overseas Filipino workers here in mainland China. With all the past experience that we have, what I'm talking about right now. This is the overseas Filipino worker work-life journey services for upcoming Filipinos. It's another topic that will be another video, guys. That will be another videos for now. This is an overtime. Let's get into an end. So really, bye for now, and see you in enable your bank in your WeChat, in your WeChat Pay and WeChat wallet. See you.